Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import your Telegram wallet to your TonKeeper wallet very easily. This is going to be a quick video, so make sure to like and subscribe if you find it useful. First of all, we're going to search for the wallet on our Telegram, and then from here we're going to open our official wallet. From here we're going to go to the top right section where there are three dots. Click on this and then go to settings. You'll see the first option that says Ton Space Beta. If you don't have it already, there's going to be an analog stick to the right of it to enable it, but because I have it already enabled, I'm just going to click on it. Then from here you can see tap to view your phrase. This is going to be your recovery phrase. Once you tap it, you can copy all the 24 words, and then from there, go to your TonKeeper wallet, and then from here we're going to click on the top and then add wallet. And you'll see multiple options, but all we have to do is going to import wallet, or the second option, and then you're going to paste the 24 words here. I can't show it because it's very private, but if you have it all done, then you can import it successfully and you'll have your wallet as the second option right here. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.